Will artificial intelligence replace human jobs? Maybe a better question is how quickly will AI replace human jobs? Artificial intelligence or AI has been a hot topic of discussion for quite some time now. There are those who believe that AI will replace humans in many areas of work, while others believe that AI will never be able to replace humans. In this video, we will explore both sides of the argument and come to a conclusion. Understanding AI. Before we can answer the question of whether AI will replace humans, we need to understand what AI is and how it works. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can learn, reason, and perform tasks that would otherwise require human intervention. AI can be divided into two main categories: narrow or weak AI and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, while general AI is capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can do. Advantages of AI. AI has many advantages over humans in certain areas. For example, AI is more accurate and efficient than humans in performing repetitive and mundane tasks. AI is also able to process vast amounts of data and make decisions based on that data much faster than humans can. In addition, AI is not subject to human biases or emotions, which can sometimes cloud judgment and decision-making. Disadvantages of AI. Despite its advantages, AI also has some disadvantages when compared to humans. For example, AI lacks creativity and empathy, two qualities that are important for many jobs that involve human interaction. In addition, AI is not capable of making ethical decisions or understanding the consequences of its actions in the way that humans can. Jobs that AI might replace. There are certain jobs that AI is already beginning to replace. For example, many customer service jobs are now being handled by chatbots and virtual assistants. In addition, certain manufacturing and assembly line jobs are being automated with the use of robots. However, there are also many jobs that AI is not capable of replacing, such as jobs that require creativity, empathy, and complex decision-making. Will AI replace humans? Now that we have examined both the advantages and disadvantages of AI and looked at the jobs that AI is capable of replacing, we can begin to answer the question of whether AI will replace humans. While it is true that AI is capable of performing many tasks that were once done by humans, it is unlikely that AI will ever be able to completely replace humans in all areas. As we have seen, there are certain qualities and skills that only humans possess, such as creativity, empathy, and ethical decision-making. In addition, there will always be a need for human oversight and control when it comes to AI, to ensure that it is being used ethically and responsibly. In conclusion, while AI is certainly changing the way that we work and live, it is unlikely that it will ever completely replace humans. Rather, AI will continue to augment human capabilities and help us to perform tasks more efficiently and accurately. As we move forward with the development and implementation of AI, it will be important to ensure that we do so in a way that is ethical and responsible, and that takes into account the unique skills and qualities that humans possess. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel.